Hello and welcome to the PMI Schedule Module video tutorial series. It's a compilation of tutorials covering everything from navigation to creating a rotating schedule. This is available to all properties that do not have an integrated timekeeping system in place. In this video, we will learn how to add a shift code to a team member. After you have created shift codes, you are now ready to add a shift code to a team member. And you can do so by clicking on the shift codes icon or in the tools and choosing shift codes. And in this example, we will be adding shift codes for a future month. So now we want Basil to work the AM shift. Open up the shift code icon, choose it from the list, and by left clicking on it with the mouse, take it to where you want it to be on the specific day or days and paste it by left clicking again. Save all of these changes. Basil now has 4 AM shifts for April. If you know the shortcut keys, you are able to type in P and it comes in as PM, and you can add it to Polly's schedule. So now we will add in Polly's shifts using the same steps we used to add Basil's shifts. Don't forget to save, and then Polly has 4 PM shifts for April so far. Then we will add some shifts for Manuel, and he's working all the middle shifts in this period. Type in MS to add to the schedule. So I'm trying to add a shift to Sunday on the 7th, but the system is not allowing me to. So if I go into tools and activate other schedules, I see that he already has a shift at concierge, as that is reflected by the asterisk and the PM. So I will definitely not be double booking him for that day. You can very easily move around shifts if you've made a mistake. Left click to highlight with your mouse and drag it to the specific day. And to delete a shift code, left click to highlight with your mouse and hit the delete button on your keyboard, and don't forget to save. You can also add shift codes to past days, and in the next example we will go to the current month, and here we will add days for the rest of the week as well as for the past 2 days. So we need to add shift codes for both Manuel and Polly. They are not in the current schedule. However, if I click on the icon, I'm able to pick up all the names. So very easy to find both of them. And now I input the shifts for the rest of the week. So I input the AM shifts for Basil, a couple of shifts for Manuel, and then Polly, of course. Now I need to go back into the past because there's no shifts for Monday and Tuesday. So let's do those as well, the same way you've done the future days. However, note now that you do not see any movement in the cockpit planned row, and that is basically because you need to go into the cockpit to update this information. More information can be found in our knowledge base articles and video tutorial series. Thank you and take care.